Here at Martelli, we have revolutionized quilting. It's as simple as picking a pattern that we offer and that you love. You purchase that pattern, and with that pattern comes the exact templates with the seam allowance built in. So you simply cut your quilt, you sew it together, and it's perfect every single time. Let's get into it. Let's talk about scallops. Fast, easy, fun, and 100% accurate. This is a two-piece template set. Again, the seam allowance are already built in, and each template is labeled. It's as easy as putting the template down, just like so, and making a few cuts. You sew it together, and you have your perfect quilt. So we're going to take this right here. We're going to turn this just like so, keeping a perfect radius. We're going to make a cut here. We're going to make a cut here. And then we're going to take the other piece, and we're going to do the same thing. Everything comes out perfectly accurate every single time. The seam allowance is built in. You cut the material, you sew it together, and you have a completed quilt. Now, to get your scallop pattern and template set, please click in the link below.